Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable child lock on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner. Now go to More Functions and enable child lock if you'd like. To disable it, you can disable it in the same place, or if you'd like to disable it physically, you can press and hold on the dock button for about 3 seconds and you'll hear a voice prompt that child lock was disabled. Child lock locks the buttons on the base and robot, so basically you will not be children will not be able to start the robot by accident, but you can still press any button to pause the robot if it's operating. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.